yellow.
When they see me, they wanna be me. I am the fantasy. Cover girl, put the bass in your walk, head to toe.
How to include your dog in your wedding without having them actually attend. We love our dog. First, include them in engagement photos. Tell their gotcha story on your website. Get them a tuxedo and champagne. Include them in the program Best Dog. Name the bar and drinks after them. Feature them on the cake topper. Close up. So cute! Have a dog biscuit bar as favors. Yummy treats for the doggies celebrating from home. Screenshot this. Have a photo booth prop of the dog. Our guests loved including Cooper in photos.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it.
That forever now I drive alone past your street. I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Red lights, stop signs, I still see your face in the white lights.
And who is the special one that has the rings? Who has the rings?
I will always love you.
I think we got something very special.
It's a sweet world. The table is prepared for you.
Everyone said I was too excitable and energetic to be at my mum and dad's wedding. I'm so glad they believed in me. I was the goodest boy.
Didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. Had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go
It was the best day ever.
I was doing it with you. Yeah, everything we broke and all the trouble that we made. But I say that I hate you with a smile on my face.
Wanna go get daddy? You gonna go get daddy? Oh, look. Look. Look.
Look what we became.
Call her name. Go get daddy.
All the things I did just so I could call you mine. Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Roses. When you kiss me heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Roses. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world of roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. And oh man, you're my best friend. I'll scream it all the nothingness.
Oh my goodness.
Go get him! Go get him!
Oh my goodness.
World hard and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, juicy
Oh,
pie.
so good. Oh,
Hey, nothing, please
rolling.
I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I add her to the tally. Oh shit, okay, here we go.
Nah, I ain't never been with a baddie, She calm, so I add it to the tally. Madison button calling them.
Feel like sun on my skin. This is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way.
I know, you know. What if I told you I like you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I like you? Green light.
Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your sisters and brothers.
Can we skip to the good part?
Try me. You're so freaking cute. I think I could get used to you. Got me like,
Excited I am for this box.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
Kill the lights, so baby close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't escape, feel like I'm lost in space.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
This delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it go.
I'm just trying to hit it by the end of the night. I'm so bad and I'm doing so tight. When I hit it from the back, don't bust, don't fight. When I put it in your mouth, don't scratch, don't bite. Showing up, when you pulling up, they I'm pulling up. Go get you another cup. I told her shorty what's up. Told her I'm trying to cut, and then I slapped the dead on the butt.
Okay, now lady, if you know you